The Einstein Project is a nonprofit organization that has been around for more than 30 years. What our organization does is we provide science curriculum kits for classrooms and then provide the professional learning that the teachers needed to be able to use those kits effectively with students.
We moved into this building on the UWGB campus, the STEM Innovation Center, in 2019. Our old building had a similar size warehouse, and the pallet racking that was in there was old and could not be moved. And then when we looked to install that later, and we did not have the funds available to do that. Being a small nonprofit, we had to fundraise to be able to pay for the pallet racking. So we had that installed in early 2023, and it's been doing great for us so far.
We really have a lot more organization. Everything used to be on the floor before, and it was not real easy to just find what I needed in about 5 seconds, and now I can walk back here, just take a look up at our beautiful racking here, and it's really easy to find everything. It has created a lot of vertical space and allowed us to open the floor to other activities such as creativity scrimmages and other field trips.
We chose Fairchild for a few different reasons. One, Mike Bruno and his sales team were very professional. They didn't come with us with a plan that I need to sell them this. They listened to us, they let us talk about how we were going to use the racking, what our needs were, and we were able to come up with a great solution because of the work of his team. We also chose Fairchild because of their community support. Being here on the UWGB campus, Fairchild is a big supporter of UWGB athletics and the STEM program. We wanted to work with a local company. We wanted to make sure that we were getting a quality product, and we knew we would get that through Fairchild.
We have moved several times throughout the community. As we grew to be larger, we needed warehouse space, and eventually our board of directors made the decision that we were going to buy our own property in the I-43 Business Park. And we were there for more than 10 years. When the STEM Innovation Center was being built, our leader at that time partnered with UWGB and Brown County to be a part of the STEM Innovation Center, allowing us to expand our square footage and improve our visibility within the community.
We were lucky enough to be chosen to be one of the 45 organizations in Give Big Green Bay in 2023. Give Big Green Bay is a collaboration between the Greater Green Bay Community Foundation and the Green Bay Packers Give Back program. So we were able to use some of the funds raised during Give Big for the pallet racking through Fairchild.
This last year we sent out more than 1,700 kits. Every year we're trying to get that number to grow. At our highest before COVID, we were up over 3,000 kits per year. Those are going out locally as well as other parts of the state. The bulk of our business is right here in the Greater Green Bay area. Our hope for right now is that we can continue to expand the number of school districts that we work with throughout the state of Wisconsin as well as into neighboring states.